Welcome to the Constellations tutorial. We're going to start with the rhythm guitar today. The verse: C, C9, C, C7, A minor, G, like so. It's the same way for the intro. The intro is just a verse again, then a pre-chorus, and then we go into this verse again. So all together, let's just play through a verse, right? I saw the light above, thought it might be you, dancing through clouds, in and out of view. And that's the verses. That's it. Here are the tabs for the chords, and for the verses I play the bar chord versions of the A minor and the G. If you can't play those, there's an alternate way for how we'll play it on the chorus. However, if you can't play bar chords yet, please keep practicing, because once we get to the Fs, it's going to get a little tricky. Anyhow, that's the verses what I just played through. So it's C, C9, C, C7, A minor, G, C, C9, C, C7, A minor, G. And then it would be the pre-chorus after that. Before I go any further though, the strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. For the whole song. That's it. Pre-chorus: D minor, F minor, C, D minor, F minor, G, G7, chorus. All right, all together. C, starting off for themselves at night, no one seems to mind. And then in the chorus, so one more time: D minor, F minor, C, D minor for one, F minor for one, then G for one, then G7 for one, then chorus. And that's it. D minor there, F minor there, G7 there, and the original G here. So you can just do, if you can't do that, you can also play that G up there, a G7 like this, which I'm not going to tab. But yeah, you could do that if you wanted. All right, so the chorus: C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, E minor, F major, F minor, C. And let me play through that whole thing with singing. So, run your hands over my constellations, baby, and let my stars with the tip of your finger. Take my flight through the pitch black night and let your moonlight show. So one more time. C, G, A minor, F major, C, G, A minor, F major, C, G, A minor, E minor, F major, F minor, C. And that's it, really. That's Constellations. Once again, for the chorus, we're playing just those campfire chord for like open chords for A minor and G. You could play the bar chords if you wanted, but that's how it was written and that's how it's played on the record. And then for the ending, when it goes, strips back all the instruments again, it just plays that F, F minor, C 3 times. So It's like that last pitch black night, and then it goes, and since there's nowhere to go except Starlight Show, snuff out your moonlight glow. And that's the rhythm guitar. All right, lead guitar. Let's skip the intro for now, and let's go to the verses. So when it goes like, I wonder why I can't see this all the time. Over that, I can't see that. Yeah, that part. 17, top 3 strings, all the way up here. And all of this is just down stroking. So it's the whole time. So it's gonna go and then down to that 12, and then down a string, and that's all it is. It's I can't see this all the time. So it's this for 2, and then this for 1, and then this for 1. 17th fret, E, B, G. 12th fret, E, B, G. 12th fret, B, G, D. That's it. That's all the verses. Now then, the pre-chorus. Let's do that. Oh yeah, it's I can't see this all the time. Nothing warm and bright. The stars singing pure delight. And then pre-chorus. Ignore that little missed note. You know which one it was. So yeah, that's the verse into the pre-chorus right there. So it starts like this: 15, 14, 13 on the D, G, B. Na, 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 and then 15, 14, 13, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 13, 15. Cities steal them all for themselves. Cities steal them all for themselves. So that's that first phrase, and then it goes 10, 9, 8, D, G, B. So it's that same shape we started for that 15, 14, 13. And we're playing it this way so that it can ring out. We can play it up here, but it's a little harder to not make it sound choppy. You don't want to sound like shake them all for themselves at night. You want it to be shake them down from the sky at night. You know, smooth, kind of slinky, ringing out. You don't want to be choppy. Now, 10, 9, 8. This is the second part of the phrase. So it's that same shape as that 15, 14, 13. We're just moving our ring finger down to the 10th fret. So, and the rhythm's a little weird here. It's not. It's da, 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 da. It's da, not da, da, da. It's da. So all together. Cities steal them all for themselves at night. And then it just repeats that phrase again. The pre-chorus is this, then that, then back to this, then that. This, then that, then this, then that. And all together, that's going to be. This is just 16, 15, 15 on the G, B, E. And you also do double strokes, so you don't have to do this single. You can do like those quarter notes instead. And then it goes to here, to the C shape. All right, so the chorus goes as such. 12th fret, 12, 13, 12, and 12, 12, 12, then down to the 10th fret with that same shape. And then it's just that same shape from here, that 10-9-8. It's very simple, and we're back to that downstroking from the verse here. So it's run your hands over my constellations, baby. Connect my stars with the tip of your finger. Take my flight through the... Oh, here's a variation. We're going to go take my flight through the pitch black night. So instead of doing that whole thing, we go all the way to that 17th fret from the verse, and then back down to this 12th fret thing from the verse, or just this one as well. Same thing. So all together, it's this, then this, then that, then that, then that, then that, then that, then that, and then that, then that, then that, then that, and then we'll do the pre-chorus. Let's just play through it. And it's all downstroking like from the verse. Very simple. So all together with singing, it's like, run your hands over my constellations, baby. Connect my stars with the tip of your finger. Take my flight through the... Oh, wait. We go up here for take my flight through the pitch black night. Or pitch black night. Same thing. So... Take my flight through the 17-12, and then we do a pre-chorus thing where it goes, your moonlight show, and then you end on that 12-13-12 little C shape up at the top, and that's it. So all together it's run your hands over my constellations, baby. Connect my stars with the tip of your finger. Take my flight through the pitch black night, and let your moonlight show. Hello, I totally didn't forget to go over the optional spice. So when you're doing the the choruses, you know, it's going... So that shape here. Only one left. So you can do that, but you can also put your pinky down on that 10th fret of the G string and have it like do that resolve. So like the whole thing slow, and then, which is real nice and how it's played on the studio version. So just want to go over that. You don't have to do that, but it does sound really nice. And that's it. On the studio version, shout out Lucas Shepard, I didn't play it, but there are little flourishes that go something like this. It's like, at the ends, there's little cadences for the ends of the choruses. Feel free to play something like that at the ends of the pre-choruses and choruses. I didn't write that though, so you may flourish as you wish. Now, that's really it for the lead guitar, except for the intro, which I saved for last. So it's just matching the vocals, and I tabbed out here. I'm just going to run through it real quick. I'll break it down briefly, but this is how it goes. I saw the light above and thought it might be you, dancing between the clouds, in and out of view. And then it goes into a pre-chorus. I laid in the grass and looked up till morning. We'll look down together soon. And that's it. Excuse my mistake again. So let's just break it down. So up to this, where it goes down to the G, it's 12, 12, and down, 13, 12, 13, 15. And then the second bit of that starts on that G string 12. You can have this part be a little choppier. It's not like the pre-chorus. does this little bit. "12, 14, 14, 12." So all together. And then the first half of this phrase is the same as up here. The only difference is that second half, like where I stopped it, that when it goes down to that G. All together, that would be the same thing. And then it goes up to that 13 on the high E. And then it's that pre-chorus. All right, so the pre-chorus all together for the intro actually is a little different now that I'm thinking about it. So instead of going back at this point, we actually go like this. And then it's that C shape from earlier, and then as we were strumming, it goes, and then into the verse. And that's it. I'll let you figure out that little flourish yourself. And that's Constellations. Really, there's no solo or anything, so thanks for watching. Ah, beautiful. So this is what it sounds like with words. Ah!